How to share thread story on Instagram. Hello friends, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you how to share thread story on Instagram. So without wasting time, let's start video. Firstly, open the threads and then click on this icon, add your threads, and then click on this to add any pictures or any videos. Then click on done and then on click on post options. In this way your post is uploading. So it is the post which I have published. So I will click on share options, then click on stories, then click on this, then click on share, click on done options. So you can see my story is shared on the Instagram story. So in this way you can share thread story on Instagram. If this video is helpful for you, please like it and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.